All right, so what we're gonna hit now is quadratics. I want you to focus on our cute little picture here. That's referring to positive quadratics as well as negative. So this one on this side is a positive quadratic. On this side right here, we've got the negative quadratic. Notice the positive looks like a smiley face. It's happy and it's going up. It's happy and it's going up and it has arrows. The negative one is like a frowny face. It's flipped over the x-axis and it's pointed down. All right, now we're going to be looking at this one right here. It says, what are these points called? I'm missing a line here. What are these points called? These are my rocks. At this point, you should remember what rocks are. For the R, we've got roots. For the O, we've got zeros. That's why we have an O. For the X, we've got x-intercepts. And for the S, we've got solutions. For the S, we've got solutions. So that's what you need to be writing on the line right here. We've got roots. We've got zeros. We've got x-intercepts. We've got x-intercepts. And we've got solutions. Got solutions. So wherever they cross the x-intercept right here is when we'll refer to these terms right here: roots, zeros, x-intercepts, and solutions. All right, on this next one, it says, what is the equation? Remember, equations have equal signs. It says, what is the equation of the axis of symmetry? So if I'm looking at this parabola right here, it's a positive parabola because it's going up. Because it's a smiley face. If I draw circles right here, it's a little smiley face. All right. However, it says, what is the equation of the axis of symmetry? So what I need to do first, step one, find the vertex, because your vertex will tell you exactly what number to use. So if I'm finding my vertex, this right here would be my vertex. I need to know what the ordered pair is. So it's an x comma a y. I went over 1. I went down to -3. So 1. Sure that looks better. All right, I'm at 1, -3. We need to remember that this is my x value. This is my y value. I want to find the vertex. Step 2 is look at the x value. And that will tell you exactly what my equation of symmetry or axis of symmetry will be. So right now, my x is at 1. So that's literally going to be the answer, x equals 1. Because if I draw a line down perfectly through the middle of this parabola, I go through number 1. Notice that. I literally went through number 1. X equals number 1. All right, if I'm looking at this right here, it says, what is this point called? What is this point called? It's a great question. All right, well, this would be, for one, a maximum. Why is it a maximum? Because it's my highest point of my parabola. It's like a roller coaster. If I'm in this roller coaster having fun, I'm at the highest point, which is my maximum. Down here, on this first one, this would be a minimum because it's the lowest point. So this is a maximum. And then another word for this would also be the vertex. So it's either the maximum or minimum, and it's also going to be the vertex. The vertex of this one would be, I'm at 2, 1, 2, 1. If they asked you what the axis of symmetry would be, axis of symmetry, that would equal x equals, well, let's look. I'm at 2. So x equals 2 would be the axis of symmetry. So those are your quadratics. All right, we're now going to go on to the next section.